Hello. In this video I'll be going over how to fix some of the bugs for the item and inventory system. So the bug basically allows you to duplicate your items or add multiple items from a single instance of the object. So basically it plays an animation, so it scales down, the scale down animation before the object is destroyed when you collect the item, right? So while the animation is playing, it is possible to click really fast on the item object multiple times, so the item is collected multiple times. So to fix that, we'll need to modify a little bit of the code. So if we go into Xentity Game Kit here, inside script, first we are going to go to mono here and interactor. So find the interactor script, open it, and if we scroll all the way down, we'll see this method, public void add to inventory. We'll add a new method, public void instant add to inventory. Inventory. Now it's going to take basically the same arguments and game object instance, and it will also take instant harvest. And in here we will do the same thing as this. So copy everything from here, and if it is true, and inside this if statement we'll have to basically just modify harvest dot, actually put it above this, harvest dot we'll have to go to the instant harvest script. So again, you can go into mono here and you'll find the instant harvest. So right here, go in here and we'll have to make a bool, call it public bool is harvested, and set defaulted to false. And inside this on interact method, we'll just say if is harvested is equal to true. So if it is already harvested, we'll just return. We're not going to collect the item again. And inside the interactor method here, so we have our little condition here. So if the item is added, we're just going to say harvest dot is harvested is equal to true. So it is already harvested, and that's basically it. We don't need to do anything else. Actually, we have to go back to instant harvest, and instead of calling interactor.add to inventory, we have to call interactor.instant add to inventory, and it's going to give you an error because it doesn't have all the arguments. So we pass in the item, harvest item, game object, and we also have to pass in this harvest instance. So we just have to say this. Okay, that should basically do it, and it's going to remove any duplication while the animation is playing. Let's just test it. So if I start the game, click really fast and click I, and yeah, they're only collected once. So yeah, let me know if there's any other bugs, and yeah, I'll try my best to fix it. Thank you.